You know that feeling, right? That frustration when you ask your AI about a project and it just spits back some generic info from the internet. It has absolutely no idea about that critical email from yesterday or the Slack thread from this morning. It's like having an assistant who's never even been to your office. Well, today, we're going to fix that. This quote just hits the nail on the head. We call this the AI context gap. Your actual work, your real context, is scattered all over the place. So even with these amazing AI tools, you're still the one doing all the hard work of connecting the dots. But what if the AI could finally bridge that gap for you? And here's where we see the fundamental difference. On one side, you've got your general purpose tools. They only know what you copy and paste into them. But on the other side, you have an AI with deep integrations, an AI that has a seat at the table, that can see the same information you do. It stops being just a plugin and becomes a real partner in your work. Okay, I know exactly what you're thinking right now. Hold on. Given AI access to my Gmail, my Slack, my entire digital life, that sounds kind of risky. And it's probably a huge pain to set up, right? And you know what? That is a totally valid concern. It's the number one thing that holds people back. So let's just tackle that head on. First off, is it complicated? Absolutely not. It's literally a simple 4-click process. You go to Settings, you find the service you want to connect, say Google, you click Setup, and then you sign in through your browser. That's it. No complicated setup, no technical stuff. It's designed to be incredibly easy. So how can something so simple also be secure? Well, it uses a technology standard called OAuth. I promise you, you've seen this a million times before. It's that sign in with Google or sign in with Microsoft button you use all over the web. And here's the crucial part. You're signing in directly with Google or Slack. Your password is never, ever shared with the app. The app just gets a secure token, think of it like a temporary keycard, that grants very specific permissions. And this right here is probably the most important part of all. That secure token we just talked about, it gets stored locally on your machine, not in some random cloud server somewhere. Your credentials, your secrets, they stay with you on your device. This keeps your data private and puts you in control. Okay, so we've covered that connecting your tools is actually pretty simple and totally secure. But what's the big payoff? Why should we even bother with these few simple steps? Well, this is where things get really, really powerful. What does this connection actually unlock for you? Just imagine asking for a quick update on a key client. A truly connected AI doesn't just check one place. It instantly scans your recent emails, it looks through Slack DMs, it checks your CRM, and it can even pull from call transcripts. And it might spot a slightly negative tone in an email, see a delayed reply on Slack, and notice a missed action item from a call. 3 separate dots that you would never connect on your own, and it flags a potential risk you hadn't even seen coming. This superpower has a name. It's called multi-source synthesis. It's the ability for an AI to pull together insights from all your scattered data and actually understand the relationships between all the pieces. This is the kind of thing a generic AI with its limited context just can't do. So what does that look like in your actual day-to-day work? Well, instead of spending half an hour scrambling through your inbox and your calendar and your notes to get ready for a big meeting, you just ask. The AI synthesizes everything: past conversations, current project status, who the key people are, and boom, it delivers a complete briefing. That's the real power of connected context in action. Now, there's another common worry. What about mixing your work and personal life? If you connect your work Google account, does the AI suddenly see all your personal stuff too? The answer is a hard no, because you are always in control of what it sees. Let me show you how that works. You can easily connect multiple accounts for the same service, but keep your work life and your personal life totally separate. Your work Gmail and personal Gmail can be connected as 2 completely different things. This lets you tell the AI to operate only within a specific context, making sure there's never any overlap unless you explicitly want there to be. You're in the driver's seat always. So it all comes down to this. The choice is between getting those generic, disconnected answers or getting true, synthesized insight. If you want an AI that can really understand your work and act like a truly capable assistant, it needs the same context that you have. And the only way to get there is by connecting your tools. And that really leaves us with one final thought to chew on. Your work life is this huge, interconnected web of information spread across thousands of emails, messages, documents, and meetings. By keeping all of that data in separate silos, what crucial connections, what early warnings, and what hidden opportunities are you missing out on every single day?